welcome to another room makeover video. Let me first give you a little history of this room. This room is actually my room at my parents' house. So I don't really live here since last 10-12 years, which is why I have not done anything to this room yet. But last time when I came here, I decided to put the wallpaper on the largest wall of this room, which is this one, right behind the bed. And the second thing that I got done last time when I visited was to get the paint done. Ye pura room white tha. This time I thought we'll decorate the room, give it a little makeover. We are not doing anything crazy. We cannot switch the furniture, but let me show you the before of this room. So that's the door, which is the entry to this room. Then this wall I had done last time when I came here. So this is how the room was before. It was looking super sad, as you can see. I had spent a good amount of time to put the wallpaper on the wall behind the bed. It was super tiring but completely worth it. Now let me take you back to the room tour. यहाँ पे एक बेड है जो कि बहुत ही पुराना है cause everything here is very old. When you come here we have a mirror. इस साइड पे विंडो है. ये जो कॉर्नर है यहाँ पे एक बक्सा टाइप का रखा हुआ है, वो जो पुराने जमाने में जो बक्सा नहीं होता था जिसके अंदर कपड़े रखे जाते थे. एंड सम ओल्ड सॉफ्ट टॉयज. देन यहाँ पे मेरा टेबल चेयर है. इफ यू सी इट्स अ वेरी ओल्ड टेबल, सो आई एम गोइंग टू गिव इट अ मेकओवर टू, मे बी पेंट इट और समथिंग एंड डू समथिंग अबाउट this wall. Basically I want to utilize this space. So first thing, I started to paint this table in white color. Literally this drawer, I mean I have no words, it looked disgusting, so of course I removed it for good and then painted the whole table. Painting looks very simple but it's so time consuming with all the different coats that we have to do, but anyway this table was screaming for a makeover, so we had to give it that. Time for a mini Amazon haul. I have got very few things for this makeover. Mostly I've used things that I've already had. One thing that I got is this rectangular grid. So this will go above my desk and it came with these mini clips. They look so cute. This grid can be used to hang your photos, memories या फिर कुछ भी random stuff. Then I got these photo prints. This was actually a pack of 60 photos and Amazon had variety of aesthetic theme photos like these. I have picked the boho one, but they had retro, vintage and whatnot. They are like really cute. They follow the same color palette and when they are put together it looks really nice. And the best part is that they are peel and stick, so you just have to remove the two peels here and stick it on the wall. This was also for 400 and something. I will put the links in the description box. And then we have got some creepers. This bundle was for 200 bucks. Then I had also got some posters and again they were like pretty cheap for around 199 200. Then I got this white wallpaper. It has a very subtle design on it. It looks really nice and I thought that I'll cover a piece of furniture with this. And of course by piece of furniture I meant this old as baksa. This is made out of wooden plywood. You will see that I tried to paint it first but paint was getting all absorbed in the wood, so then I decided to put a wallpaper over it. A very good decision indeed. So this is how the baksa looks like. I think that now it looks really pretty and the golden color with the print looks so nice. This is from the side. Oh god, हर जगह मेरे paint लग गया है. But this is the table and table also looks brand new now. मैंने इसका drawer हटा दिया था. As you already saw, drawer की हालत काफ़ी ख़राब हो गई थी. This is like I think age old table, but now it looks really nice, shiny, pretty. So I think that two of our main things are done and we are all geared up to decorate this area now. Any makeover is not complete without a DIY and I made multiple of them in this makeover. ये एक बड़ा सा picture frame है which I had gotten made long back for my parents, but sadly they didn't like the picture. तो ये ऐसे ही unused पड़ा हुआ था बस. So I thought I could utilize it somehow. I just चिपकाउफाइड the posters on it. I used glue dots to stick them ताकि वो आगे कभी remove करना है तो हो जाए easily. I covered the picture with Big Bang and Breaking Bad posters and for the remaining space I used the picture
pictures that I had ordered and I showed you before. This piece looks so cool now and I'm just very happy that I could finally use this picture frame. Next up, I also decided to make use of this carom board. बचपन का कोई सामान नहीं फेंका मैंने. I am a big time hoarder as you will see. But यार DIY का तो तभी मजा है ना जब we can make use of things. So इस carom board को first I cleaned क्योंकि काफी धूल खा के बैठा था ये. And then I used this मोटा सा धागा, macrame cord जैसा मोटा था ये, and इसको पीछे से मैंने बांध दिया. And then I used the clips to put some more pictures. I also painted the corners with a fresh coat of black so it looks a little fresh. And that's for the DIY 2 of this makeover. We are going to do few more, so wait for it.
If you guys have seen my previous room makeover video, I'll link that video in the cards above. But in that, I had mentioned that I like the desk space which is a little cluttered in a sense that it feels a little personalized with a lot of photos, quotes, something that goes with my aesthetic. I want to create such a desk space in this room too so that it feels more of my vibe.
Okay, so let's create my dream desk space. I hope you enjoy this little montage of me putting up all the pictures symmetrically.
Look at the prints, they are so pretty and so cohesive. The color palette is also pastel and very pretty when put together. And मेरा wall भी pink है तो it looks really nice. This is actually a very old photo of my brother. And the material that is used to make this, I don't know what it's called, but it's very easily available in the photograph shops. Weddings में भी ऐसे banners लोग बहुत ज़्यादा बनाते हैं and then they finally go on waste. I have multiple photos like this of my brother, myself, ऐसे ही कुछ banners which I had collected over the period of time. I'm gonna make something out of a couple of them. So let's do something about it and don't feel bad that I'm ruining a picture. We have multiple copies of this picture too for God knows why. So I'm thinking to make a bulletin board for this. ये जो material use हुआ है इसमें it's such that इसमें ये bulletin board वाली जो clips होती हैं ये easily लग जाएंगी like that.
This was literally the easiest DIY I did for this room. All I did was to cover this picture with this white wallpaper and that's all. पीछे से I stuck it with Fevicol Heatex अच्छे से tightly and I'll show you at the end how it turned out. But before that, let's make another and last DIY for this room. Again, I used one of the banners which I had. This one is a pretty big one. इसको भी I covered with the white wallpaper first for the base and then I decided to create a texture art on this. I had made a full video of textured art. I'll link that in the cards above, but there I showed the full-fledged procedure of how to do this art. I love this technique. I made this mixture of putty with Fevicol and covered the canvas with the paste. When it was all dry, I wanted to give it some sort of color, very lightish beige or brown. So this is what I did. It was so much fun and oh my god, I was thinking that I'm making a mess out of it, but it turned out really pretty. That's the beauty of art. कुछ भी करो, finally अच्छा ही बन के निकलता है. Okay, then I made a border with metallic golden color and फिर I used masking tape to create a symmetrical design. I wanted this to be a minimal piece, just colored it with a metallic gold color and removed the tape when it got dry. It turned out really pretty. Now it was time to finally decorate the damn room and of course the final reveal. So I had planned where to hang what and then carpenter भैया को बुलवा के सब hang करवा दिया.
Lost in your fragrance still makes me anxious. Doesn't feel right not knowing you. You never show me, you tell me the way that you're feeling. Oh, I never ask you the questions cause maybe I'm fearing. Oh, that's just how it goes. Maybe there's parts of you that I'll never know. That I'll never know.
This is how the room looks after the makeover. I am satisfied max at this point with my room. It feels like mine. I had also put fairy lights in my room, which I did not record. But let me know how you like this makeover in the comment section, and if you have any suggestions, they are of course welcome. I keep making updates in my makeovers. If you're not subscribed already, please do. I am really putting a lot of efforts, and Instagram pe bhi follow kar hi lena. Okay, bye.
Impatient, this constant waiting. Just wanna be the one that you come to. We act like we're ageless. I don't wanna waste this time with you.